In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your workspace picture in Slack. Personalizing your workspace can help make your environment feel more welcoming and representative of your team's spirit or brand. So, let's dive into the easy steps that will guide you through this process seamlessly. To begin, make your way over to Slack by opening the application on your desktop, or visit Slack's website through your preferred web browser. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to authenticate your identity. You can do this by entering your email and password, or if you've previously set it up, you can log in using your Google or Apple account. This method ensures a quick, secure, and straightforward login experience. Once you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the specific workspace you'd like to customize. If you're part of multiple teams, make sure to click on the correct workspace from the list on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Choosing the right workspace is crucial because changes you make will only affect that particular environment. Now, look to the top left corner where the name of your workspace appears. There's a small down arrow right next to this name. Give it a click and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll see an option labeled Tools and Settings. After selecting this, you'll find the Customize Workspace option. This is where the magic happens. Under the Customize Your Workspace section, you'll locate the Workspace icon option. Clicking on this will allow you to change that iconic little image that represents your workspace to all its members. A new window will greet you where the current icon is displayed, along with an Upload Image button. Click on this button when you're ready to bring in a fresh image for your workspace. The next step requires you to browse through your computer files and select the perfect image you wish to upload. Remember that Slack might ask you to crop your image to fit its requirements, so choosing an image that can comfortably adapt to a square format is wise. Once you've selected and adjusted your image, you're almost at the finishing line. The final step in this customization journey is to click Save. This action confirms your changes and updates the workspace icon for all individuals in your workspace. And just like that, you've successfully given your Slack workspace a new visual identity. Customizing your workspace image can bring a fresh look and a touch of personality to your Slack environment. Whether it's a team logo or a fun picture that represents your group's interests, changing your workspace picture is a simple yet effective way to enhance your Slack experience. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time with another helpful tutorial.